Alright, so what's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son?
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? How is everyone doing? I hope all is well to whoever's tuning in and checking me out today. But if you are brand new and this is your first time tuning in, your first time checking me out, thank you. But please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button down below and come and join the family. Also, if you're brand new, you're gonna wanna get notified every time I drop a brand new video. So do yourself a favor, do me a favor, hit that notification bell down below and it'll do that. It'll notify you every time I drop a brand new video. Anyway, guys, we are a few days away from New York Got Soul. Super hyped about that. Got a couple of people coming out. Like I told you guys before, I did try to have Michael Rappaport in there, speaking to him on Instagram. You know what? Speaking of Instagram, at the real son of some man, check me out, give me a follow. All my links and everything will be down below. Alright guys, in today's video, we're going to be checking out a couple of older pairs of sneakers. Now, as for you looking at the thumbnail, you've seen what kind of older sneakers I'm talking about, the Jordan Face boxes. So first we are going to jump out with this one. This is, I think this is a pretty dope box. I even got the pair of 2005s or 99s, whatever you want to call them, metallic 5s that came in the same box here. We got white, Columbia blue, black. This, I don't believe, is the original box to these. Here you have it, guys, the Air Jordan 11 Concord. These are 2001 or 2000, I believe. These are the 2000 Concords, so got these from eBay. Got that little authentic, you know, whatever that's called. But you can't. To be honest, I don't believe you can, you know, replicate a older sneaker. I know Virgil's doing it with the, you know, with the off-white 2s and whatnot, with the cracks and whatnot. But I'm saying a sneaker like this, I really don't think that you can do a. You know, a replica of it. If you got a replica from the years that they were making replicas of these back in 2000s, I think you would know something. Because if you didn't know what you were looking at, then we got a problem, because it was really bad. It was really bad. But nah, these are, you know, definitely, just looking at them, you can tell them they're authentic. You know what I mean? You don't need this nonsense over here. But yeah, these are pretty dope. Add these to the collection. Dope. That Jumpman, peep that. Yeah. Alright guys, enough talking about this shoe. Let's put it back in the box. Oh wait, before we go, you know, it comes with that, you know, the Jordan card. They need to bring these back, man. Bring these back. Jordan Brand, if you're watching, I doubt it, but bring those back, man. Those are really cool. Really nice pieces, you know, to add to the collection. At least I think so. If you guys are brand new, please do me a favor. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Come and join the family. We are on the way to 10,000 subscribers, and you could be that one more subscriber to help us get that much more closer. So please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. All right, checking out the next pair. As you can see, a much more crispier box. I guess this guy, that other box kind of looks water damaged, so maybe, I don't know. We have size 11 medium gray, white, cool gray. That pretty much gave it away too. And now we have the original Air Jordan 11 cool grays. These are pretty dope, pretty nice, wild, so much different, you know what I mean? Ooh. Guys, let me know down in the comment section if you would like to see a comparison for, you know, when they first came out to what we got today. You let me know down in the comment section if you want to see that comparison, and I'll definitely do it for you guys. No biggie. I did one already with the 2010, so why not? Maybe we'll do all three. We'll put all three in the video. Really do it up nice. But yeah, these are actually pretty clean, man. Really dope. Bottoms are clean on both pairs. Obviously the yellowing is going to be there from the age, but look at that cut to the shoe. It just sits so much differently, bro. You know what? I'm going to show you guys a quick comparison. Right here. Let's just grab it real quick. Check it out, the package. Here we go. Boom. Boom. Really crazy. Really crazy. Oh, you can't see with my hand over it. But yeah, that's what that looks like. Now, guys, if you want me to do a comparison on, these two shoes, I would be more than happy to do it for you guys. Just let me know in the comment section if you want that to happen. Also, hit that like button. We are getting closer and closer to 10,000 subscribers. It's all because of you guys. You can't deny that. And I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in each day. Checking me out, supporting the channel. Truly, truly appreciate it. But until next time, guys, it is your man, the Son of Some Man, and we are out, guys. Peace.